What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. There is nothing worse than stepping into your vehicle on a busy morning only to realize your engine will not start due to a completely dead battery. If you want to avoid that headache and find the best car battery tester, you are definitely in the right place. Today on Tech Product, we are looking at an incredibly reliable automotive diagnostic tool. Let's get started. Let's check out the Mastfui FY8912B car battery tester. Taking a closer look at this incredibly handy device, it quickly becomes obvious why it stands out as a highly versatile diagnostic tool. It is specifically built to meet the demanding needs of professional automotive technicians, DIY car owners, and fleet maintenance teams. The Mastfui FY8912B uses advanced testing technology to provide very accurate and completely reliable insights into your battery performance as well as the overall electrical health of your vehicle. Instead of guessing if your battery is slowly failing or if your alternator is struggling, this smart device gives you the exact data you need to make the right maintenance decisions. Having this information right at your fingertips can save you a lot of time and frustration. One of the absolute biggest advantages of the Mastfui FY8912B car battery tester is its incredibly wide range of support for many different battery types. Whether you are working on a standard commuter car, a heavy-duty work truck, or specialized equipment, this tester has you completely covered. It seamlessly supports both 12 volts and 24 volts lead-acid batteries, which covers the vast majority of vehicles on the road today. On top of that standard support, it is fully compatible with modern AGM, GL, and EFB batteries. This means it is perfectly suited for newer vehicles that come equipped with more complex energy requirements. Having this amazing level of versatility ensures that you can confidently apply the tester across many different scenarios, from simple weekend car maintenance in your driveway to rigorous professional fleet servicing. When it comes to getting the right data quickly, precision testing is an absolute highlight of this fantastic device. The Mastfui FY8912B delivers incredibly fast and accurate results based on your input battery capacity or standard CCA ratings. Knowing this specific number allows you to evaluate your battery strength with total confidence, especially right before the cold winter months arrive. But the incredible functionality of this device does not stop at the battery itself. Its comprehensive diagnostic functions extend way beyond basic voltage checks. The Mastfui FY8912B offers deeply detailed evaluations of your cranking voltage during engine startup, checks your alternator performance, and constantly monitors the overall health of your charging system. This gives you a complete and transparent picture of what is going on under the hood, allowing you to easily catch small electrical issues before they turn into very expensive repairs. Of course, working around complex automotive electrical systems can sometimes feel intimidating, but top-tier safety is a core feature of the Mastfui FY8912B. You never have to worry about accidentally hooking things up wrong and causing a spark, because the device incorporates built-in reverse polarity protection. If you attach the positive and negative clamps to the wrong terminals by mistake, the device simply stays safe and your car stays perfectly safe. Furthermore, it features dedicated overvoltage and short-circuit protection, ensuring totally secure operation during every single test you run. This makes it a highly dependable choice for handling all kinds of batteries in various weather conditions without any risk of damage. Beyond all this amazing internal technology, the physical design is wonderfully compact and extremely user-friendly. It is easy to hold, simple to read, and small enough to toss right into your glove box or daily tool bag. The Mastfui FY8912B car battery tester truly combines unmatched safety, precision, and adaptability to maintain peak battery health and completely optimize your vehicle performance. You really do not want to be caught stranded on the side of the road without knowing the true health of your engine components. Check the price link in the description to grab one of these amazing diagnostic tools for your own garage today. Make sure to like and subscribe to Tech Product for even more awesome gadgets and tools to make your everyday life much easier. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.